What's the meaning of chemo? Chemo. Chemo.
Chemo. Chemo. Chemo is a term commonly used to refer to chemotherapy, which is a medical treatment that uses drugs to kill cancer cells. It is usually administered through injections, pills, or intravenous infusions. Chemotherapy can have various side effects, including hair loss, fatigue, and nausea. The goal of chemotherapy is to destroy cancer cells and prevent the spread of cancer to other parts of the body. In some cases, chemotherapy may be used in combination with other treatments, such as surgery or radiation therapy, to effectively treat cancer.